All right, all right, all right. Let's get it poppin'. Let me switch over real quick. Mr. R, champion of the champions, my boy. Always in here first. Let me switch up real quick. Champion of the champions. What's good? What's good? What's good, brother? What's good? Gotta put this up a little bit. Oops. There we go. Wait. There we go. There we go. Adib said, hey, what's good, guys? Today, guys, unfortunately, we have a very short stream. You know, a lot of stuff happening this week, but we're going to make the best of it. We have to try and make money on this account. We're down like 100 and something. Well, we're up 170, but we lost a trade the other day. So we're trying to redeem ourselves. All right. So what I'm hoping for is that price would come up to this zone. That's what I want. But it's moving the opposite direction. Euro JPY moving beautifully. Yesterday tapped into this gap. Today, let me actually change this so that we can see that it's an old one. There we go. I'll get rid of this real quick. All right, and now it's using this one for today. I want it to break above this. I want this to come to this zone. What's good? What's good? What's good? But let's take a trade. Yeah. I'm going to try my best. I'm going to try my best. It's a very short stream today, unfortunately. A very short stream, but going to do our best. You know me, guys. I'm patient. That's the only, I don't want to say issue, but that's the only thing with these challenges is I'm just patient. I just wait for my setups. But I'm hoping to catch some stuff going on. Let me, SPX 500. It's been forming structure really well. Into this channel, went down into this channel. When you see stuff like this, even though we got this going on, we also got a little bit of this going on. Right? So, according to what I'm looking at, we should be getting maybe a bit above this, but then essentially that. So, moving nicely. SPX 500. Gold. Gold ain't got nothing for us, bro. Look how gold is behaving. Let me go to the 15 to make it easier to read. Look at how gold is behaving. Okay, so gold is still deciding on what it wants to do. I would not consider selling until I break these lows. And I'm not buying right now because we're at the top of the top and there's not really a reference. This is our first area of reference. And we don't know how price is really going to react to this. In order for me to take this serious, price would have to break structure after coming into contact with this area. Then I can say, okay. You know what I mean? Ooh, let me add the Discord real quick. What's good, Toby? What's good? What's good? What's good? What is up, guys? What is up? Short stream today, unfortunately, but we're going to make the best out of these opportunities. So, yeah, that's what's happening with gold. GBP USD. All right, guys, you can see. You guys, as much as I don't trade this, what have I been saying? It's been following structure really, really well. Okay, it's been trending and moving very, very uniformly, which I like. All right, Euro JPY, we already talked about that. And then GBP CHF, I'm looking at this and saying, okay, just kind of put the dots together for you guys. It's essentially what I'm looking at. Let me do it like this, just so it's clear. This is essentially what I'm looking at. That's all. I'm anticipating price will probably come into this gap and go down, but we'll see. We will see. We will see what happens. We have AUD JPY. Like I said, I'm waiting for AUD JPY to reach this area here. But unfortunately, it's going the other way. So today's just, we'll see. The other thing too, guys, is that we're only trading 4 pairs. With Forex, I find you have to be willing to trade way other pairs, like way more pairs, right? Or else you're not really gonna get far. So How's you guys' week so far? Any trades taken? Any wins? Any losses? I have 3 wins, so I'm very happy. Very happy. Very, very happy. Oops. I have NQ. Not quite. Gotta wait that out. I might take a trade on indices, to be quite honest. But we'll see. Let me get rid of this because this is not a real trade. I'm in CAD buy. CAD what? USD CAD, CAD CHF, CAD JPY. CAD what, Mustang? CAD what? GBP CAD. Oh, nice. Very nice. That's as good as it gets. Straight onto an area of structure. That's beautiful. All right, let's take a look at the overall plot. This is the level where I'm anticipating it goes down. But so far, we had this. We drew this up yesterday. Price is broken out of here and might start making its way down. We pray for DJ Mustang's sake that's not the case, but you can see price ripped past here, hasn't returned. It may come into this gap. You can see it's already coming to this one. We just got to see it close. Are you scalping or are you swinging, DJ? I don't think you're a swing trader. I don't think you're a swing trader. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know, DJ. Swing trader, or scalper. Because that will depend on what to do here, right? I'm curious to see how this closes in the next 2 minutes. Shosho, what's good, brother? What's good, Shosho? How you doing? How you doing, brother? You're a JPY. Oy, yoy, yoy. This is the prime reason why it's important to trade accounts that have good size. Because, for example, yesterday with all the trades I took, I'm done for the week. I'm actually done for the month. Based on the percentage I made yesterday, I'm done for the month. I'm good. Right? On a good size account. If that was like a 10K account or a 5K account, then I still got to keep grinding because that's nothing. Vanch said, hi, Mao. What's up? What's good, Vanch? What's good? We're trying to take a trade today. I have a very short stream today, unfortunately, but we're trying to take a trade. So we're going to see what happens. I'm hoping AUD/JPY will come up to here. And I have some hopes for Euro/JPY as well. Right now, we have 2 minutes to market open, so I kind of want to see what price does. Look at this. I have to stay away from indices, though, because we're trading Forex today only. We're only trading Forex today. In fact, that's nice. So let's see what happens. Adib. I have my areas marked up with a what's the word I'm looking for? Alert. So if it comes into my area, I'm good. Day trade in between scalp and swing. Ah, I see. In between scalp and swing. Gotcha. So if you're a day trader, you're probably taking entries like what, on the 15? Maybe the half hour. Right? So if you're in buys, I can imagine you got in somewhere around here. And you're probably aiming for the top of these areas here, most likely. Bro, how is the load shedding in your country? What do you mean load shedding? All right, so it's 9:30. Let's see what the market does. Yeah, the second it broke past here, go up into a sell. Let's see what happens. Let's have some fun this morning, bro. Let's have some fun. Let's see if price is going to take us out. Now, guys, keep in mind, this is not at a zone. This is at support and resistance. So I'm literally just, because I'm so bored, I'm entering into these cells. I'm in 11K. If it go through, now we need a 1 to 2 at least. I don't like the way price is moving though. If US 30 opens and it doesn't move with this, like with power, then usually when it's floating like this, it might go the other way after, like shortly. So hopefully it goes to RTP first. Hopefully we're gonna see what it do. Again, guys, this is not a signal. 16 bands, and if we lose 4. It's not 2. Oh, 8. There you go. There you go. So we just need price to hit TP there. It's got to push with some strength though. Again, not our zone, but this is just something for us to do. Yo, it feels good to be back with the fam. What's good, Shakir? You were missed for sure. You were missed for sure. For sure. So yeah. See what I was telling you guys? If it doesn't move with decision, because I told you guys US 30 is the most explosive of the 3. Right? Let me just quickly check on Nas. Yeah, Nas is all right, but this is kind of normal of Nas. US 30, on the other hand, US 30 is supposed to, like when it moves during market open, it's supposed to go in the right direction. So if you trade US 30 and price starts doing this, like it's a lingering, it's not hovering, it's usually going back the other way, which is what I just said. But anyways, I want the stream to be, it's a bit of a short stream today. I want to do something so that at least we're learning to some capacity. Those of you who are here, okay, let me wait for this to play out. All right, let me go back here real quick. What I'm actually waiting for is for price to come up here on AUD JPY. I'm also on, where is it? GPCHF. On Euro JPY, I'm waiting for price to actually break above this. All right, so I'm expecting this at some point. Okay, this is what I'm expecting. So that's what I'm looking for. So we'll see what it do. Cameron said, good day, my dude. And chat was good, Cameron. Long time no see, brother. Long time no see. Like, you don't have electricity for an hour or two. Like, I don't have electricity for 30 minutes, but then I have Wi-Fi. Oh, no, we don't do that here. We don't do that here. I know, like, in my, well, where my parents are originally from, Ghana, they do that every so often. But in Canada, we don't do any of that. As long as you pay for your electricity bill, your electricity stays on. Let me move this. All right, guys. For those of you who are just getting here, here's what I was looking at, okay? This is not an area we would actually trade. I can show you. This is just support and resistance. I don't trade support and resistance with indices. I look for specific zones. You guys know this. But I wanted to show you, like, market open, you want price, like, especially when it starts to push beyond this, like a level like this, you just get in. It's usually supposed to just with speed. Yesterday, was it yesterday? No, not yesterday. Monday, I took this trade here on US 30 for almost a 1 to 5. And then on SPX 500, I could show you guys real quick. On SPX, which one was it? Nah, I think it's, just go here real quick. I can show you guys the trade I took on, oops. I took on SPX 500. There we go, right here. So these two trades, I made great profit yesterday. So I had one 1 to 2 and another 1 to 4. Same trade, two positions. Okay. As you can see, this is not support and resistance. I trade specific zones for a reason. So I'm saying all that to say that this is just for demonstrational. Is that even a word? This is just for, entertainment purposes. Let me just put it that way. All right. For you guys to kind of just see what's going on in the chat. What is up, Caramel? Sub show. Yeah, I'm expecting to hit that supply. Got you. I've been super busy lately, but gotta show up and show some love to the fan. Bro, you've been missed for sure. I gotta hit you up for sure. But Caramel, if you notice, different setting. I moved. My office has a balcony now. I'm gonna show you guys when I get a chance. So good stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Good stuff. Lots of good things going on. That's part of the reason why today's stream is gonna be short, because I have another appointment very soon. Lots of things happening in your boy's life. Your boy is a grown man. He has responsibilities. I'd love to sit around and just stream all day. But the real world doesn't work like that. In the real world, you work hard. Yesterday, I went to bed at 4. Okay? You guys saw the other day, I had to drink a Rockstar. Needed that caffeine. Good to hear. I haven't traded in a while. Got to get back on the horse. Got you. Yeah, I noticed. Haha. We def got to chat. Yeah, for sure. For sure, Caramel. For sure. You know what's going to happen. For sure. Learn with Adib, said Osama. Adib. Yo, first off, Caramel, can you ban Adib? Adib is just... The other day, he was trying to trade. He was negotiating with Fauci for his wife. The man said cash on delivery because he's not trying to get stopped at the airport. All right, it's going to take us out. Right? There we go. So, that's that on there. Recently, it's just been so slow for Forex pairs for me. I don't know what it is. So GP Cat, that's DJ Mustang's trade. Let's see what we can find. Let's see if we can at least have some fun. I'll put a poll in the chat. And yeah, I know, bro. Adib is insane. So he just mentioned Osama. He's just been on some weird vibes, bro. But it's all love, though. Don't actually ban him. I'm kidding. But Adib is hilarious. Yesterday, he made us watch this random video. Adib is just a different breed. Just a different breed. Oh, there you go. Gold is finally starting to break towards the downside. This is nice. So this is what I was waiting for. I told you guys when we started the stream, I'm waiting for gold to come down and break this. Once it breaks this level, then I'll start considering getting into some sells. So those of you guys who are trading gold, you may, and I say you may only because we still have to be very careful. We haven't established anything yet. This is just getting in early, right? You might be one of the early investors and make a ton of money on gold, but we gotta wait and see how that goes. GPUSD, almost had his wife. Bro, Caramel, I don't know if you can see this. You see this comment? The man has tears in his eyes because he missed he said I almost had his wife and he's sad about that. Adib is crazy. All right, so hopefully, let me put this up here. All right, we'll see what it do when it gets to that side. ADJPY may not get to where I need it to go in time. Euro AUD, I don't trade. Yeah, there you go. So this is the type of vibes he's been on, bro. Just straight menacing, awful behavior. All right, and you can see, nah, it's not really holding up. Not doing nothing. Wait. Yeah. The whole market is moving crazy right now. I'm gonna get rid of this. What else can we trade, guys? What else can we trade outside of those 4 pairs? Let's get something else to trade. Even if we can't take a real trade, we can take it on this account here. You guys can see we have 3.5 million there. We can afford to take trades, guys. Madman vibes for real. Which trade are we taking? What I'm looking for, my ideal trade is on AUDJPY. Okay, it's right here. This is what I want. This is the trade that I want. This is the trade that I want. I want this specific trade. I do have this marked up just in case. I probably may not take it. It's just we're in a range. I don't trade in ranges, in zones, because all of these zones in here, they're decent, but they don't really mean much. So I try not to hop into stuff like that. All right. What else can we look at? Let's see if we can find some stuff. All right, let's get rid of this. Not really nothing going on there. Guys, what else we got? USD JPY, let's see. USD JPY, similar. US 30. So massive gap right here. So I always tell you guys, whenever I see stuff like this on indices, I just don't touch it, even if it ends up going my way. When the gap is too wide, it's just low probability every time. Anyways, guys, another slow day. If I end up leaving before and I still see a nice setup, I'll record it for you guys. All right. Gold is starting to push. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Gotta wait to see how this closes. What you want is a strong close. This 15, you want it to close really strong, preferably with the body below here. Okay? You want the body of this candle to close below like this line. Do you guys even know how much a kidney is? A deep. Oh my gosh. USD JPY. Price soaring. And this is going the other way. I mean, rightfully so. It was supposed to, you know, go up that way anyways. Wednesdays. I can't tell you the last time I took a trade on Wednesday. Wednesdays are just generally slow. Guys, look at this. 2 minutes left to close, and look how this wick is responding. That's why I always tell you guys to wait. How much is that? 25 lakh? That's not anything, Adib. Because I think something's happening to my stream. Something's going on with the stream, guys. I don't know if you guys can still hear me. Let me see. $50 lakh for 2. 50K or just 50? Bro, I doubt which one is better trading personally. Account or prop? It depends on capital, to be quite honest. Right? If you have your own account of like, and also depending on where you are. So let's say you're not in the US, you're in a country where the US currency is a lot heavier in your currency, and you have like a 10K, 5K USD account, you could literally just trade that. You'll be fine. You can grow that easily, take your time, you'll be fine. Prop trading does allow you to be more disciplined and stuff like that, and the risk to reward is better. You know what I mean? When you pass, but the headaches aren't there when you're trading your own personal account. But if you have no capital, then prop firm is the way to go. Prop firm will also teach you this. But here's the thing with prop firm. The only thing that sucks with prop firms is one thing. There's only one thing that sucks with prop firms, or two. Number one, shady rules. Number two, denied payouts, because some companies go bust. If prop firms were legitimately stable, as in you're guaranteed that if you make money, you're going to get paid, prop firms would be the greatest thing on this earth. It'd be a no-brainer. Guys, we got 3 seconds, and I don't like the way this closed. That's not great. That's not great. Because gold, you know, gold is finicky. Gold can do this and still go all the way back up. You see what I'm saying? All right, guys. We got this account here. We haven't gotten into anything at all. Oh, God, not again. Not again. Put a stop loss there. And then TP. Guys, we ended up accidentally, we ended up accidentally getting into a trade. How much did I risk? 0.01, whatever. We'll let it play out. Have you heard about Funded Pro? No, I don't think so. No, I do not. No, I have not, I should say. All right. All right, guys, we accidentally entered a trade. So I'm just going to let it play out just so you guys have something to watch. All right. Do GJ analysis. I'm in shorts. Maven is good. Yeah, Maven is good. GJ, we already analyzed GJ. Let me see where we at. GPUSD. If you're in shorts, it's not bad. Don't know how long ago you got in. But the way I trade, don't know where you got in. The way I trade, when I get to these levels, I'm out. Just because of how strong it's been in the past. So I don't know when you got in. Hopefully you got in somewhere here so that your trade is worth it. The reason why I may not get directly into shorts right away is because of the way price is forming structure. Where the gaps are, I'm not a fan. And we also have this level to deal with. So I'd personally wait. Just my 2 cents. Let's go back in here. Let's see what's going on. Good old gold, guys. We accidentally entered a trade. So this is why I don't like this platform. I went to switch. Okay, I went to switch, like, let's say like this. See, it's frozen. And it entered a trade. It's insane. Insane. How much you gonna make if we make this? We'll see. So yeah, now you can't say we didn't take a trade today, guys. We're in a trade. We are in a trade. My electricity just came back. Awesome, Adib. Glad to hear it. Is futures have same leverage like? No, futures doesn't do leverage. Futures is by contracts. So each contract, each tick has a certain dollar value for how price moves. That's it. It's standard across all the board, like the whole board. Everybody's the same. Everyone's the same. It's not a leverage thing. It's like stocks. Every contract has a specific value, and that's that. And that's that. Guys, place your bets. Is this trade going to win or lose? Let me start a poll here. I don't know what you guys think about this trade. All right, if I switch to trading view real quick. I'll be able to show you guys better. All right, we entered here. Stop loss like right here. TP. We're aiming for a 1 to 2. There we go. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Did I buy or sell? I sold. This is a sell, guys. It's a sell. Wow, so far 100% win. Okay. But then again, it's only 2 votes. Oh, 4 votes. Everybody says win so far. Okay, nice. All right, guys, it's going against us. What we gonna do? Black Owl, what's good, brother? What's good? You know what's crazy? When I watch how some of you guys trade, you guys love entries like that. Like getting in, bit of move down here, stops just above. Sometimes you guys' stops is like here. No lie. And you go for God knows how much. Risk reward. I don't like losing. Got you. Got you. One person said lose. Probably a Deeb. Probably a Deeb. Maximus said was me though. Poor Adib catching strays for no reason. I'm still gonna blame Adib. Adib, you're the one hater. Oh no, we have 2. And I understand indices. One moment it goes one way, next moment it goes the opposite. Yeah, indices. There are certain factors that move indices. You just have to understand. What's good, John Teray? What's good? What's good, brother? Welcome back. I voted win. I'm sure you did, Adib. I'm sure you did. All right. So guys, here's what we're gonna do. If we lose this trade, remember what happened last time where we had to get our money back? We're gonna try and get our money back. That's what we'll do. Every time this happened so far, we've made our money back after we lost. So let's see if we can do that. Let's see if we can do that. That's it. Spread took us out, baby. All right, let me switch back. So gold, so here we are, guys. So gold took $3 from us, right? No, almost $5. So gold owes us some money. So guys, what we got to do now is we got to find some really quick scalps. All right. I'm going to wait for this to kind of play out. US 30 already doing its thing. Going towards the high side. Last time I made my money back on indices. I might go back to my trusty indices and see what I can do there, depending on the setup. But in the meantime, let's look for where else can we make our money. GBP USD is also flying towards the high side. Let me. Maybe we can do GBP CHF when it returns to that level. ADJ, okay, good. Now you're going the right way. I just need it to come up into this zone. This is the trade that I really want, guys, by the way. This is the trade that I really want. This is the one that I'm looking at for today. All right, let's see where else we can get a quick scalp. GJ is retest. This is support and resistance, so I don't know if I want to touch that. Let's see. This is a nice candle, but it's US 30, so SPX 500 respecting the life out of this trend line. We'll see what happens. Some medium impact news coming in, and I think it's gonna give a weaker dollar. Got you, Maximus. I'll keep that in mind. When's that coming up? Because mine doesn't show the weaker ones. It just shows the what time, Maximus? If you could let me know, that would be fan-diddly-tastic. Need a quick scalp. Gold doing us dirty as always. Guys, we got to make our money back. What should we be trading? In fact, this would be a good opportunity to check some of the stuff you guys are trading. USD CHF, perfect. Let's try USD CHF. Let's see. Gosh. Okay, maybe. In 4 minutes. Okay. So let me head over here. Guys, we have to check the spread first. USD, CHF. Because sometimes the spreads be wicked on these pairs. Oh, for this is fine. All right, we'll see. Let's start. I'm going to buy. Not right now. I'm going to scalp. Let's see if we can make some quick money. How much would I make on this? .13. Let's see. We're in this zone. We're going to see if we can scalp it. What else we got? This is just pushing to the upside. GJ doing what it do. Informant. Do you know anybody in social media that trade indices with only support and resistance? That's a good question. I don't believe so, actually. Indices with support and resistance? That's a good question. I don't think so. GPUSD, Euro JPY. Hurry up and reach this zone. Oh my gosh, bro, this is taking forever. All right, let's go back to USD CHF. All right, guys, I'm going to, let's buy. Let's see if we can make back our money. Let's see if we can make back our money. Let me switch this real quick over to trading view so you guys can see. 1 minute. Literally where we bought. Very risky area. Quick scalp. Super quick scalp. Don't even ask me the reasoning behind this, okay? There's not much. There's not much. Yeah, this is not going to hold. Let me switch back so you guys can see it in real time. Ooh, spread might get me too. Oh gosh, I forgot we got news. That's why it's opening up. It is going to, in the next minute or so, if it doesn't take me out now, it is going to just fly into my stop loss. There we go. There we go. So then we'll have to make back. If I lose this trade, I'll take one more to scalp. One more to scalp, guys. Market waiting for election results. Yeah, 1000%. I agree with that. It's just been super duper trash recently. All right, we're about to get taken out. There we go. All right, doesn't mean my GU buys flying TP at the highs. Yesterday broke my rule and got only scared 1 hour, but today stacking to plan. Do you also ignore your rules sometimes? Yeah. I have recently I did. 1 second. We have news now. I want to see what it does. Guys. Oh shoot, I'm way late. Way late. Delayed reaction, guys. Delayed reaction. Okay, whatever. Delayed reaction. So how much will I make on this? If I lose this trade, guys, I'm done for the day. Look at the spreads. This is terrible. Is gold going down? Let's check. I'm out here playing a fool with this with this with this forex pair. Gold. Yeah, gold is starting to push down. We got to see how it responds to this area though. That's what we got to see. We got to see how it responds to this area. Oh, we're about to, I think. We're about to get rocked again. Oh gosh. This is reminding me so much of when I first started trading. Right? You just start pressing buy, sell at random times. So, and there, oh, I thought I was going to take us out. We'll see. Just give me my money. We're most likely, guys, there's a super high chance. So here's what you're looking for when you get to a zone like this. First off, you're waiting for price to show you some structure, right? You're not just hopping into, oh, GBPCHF, I got an alert. Let's go check. GBPCHF is finally, let me do this one instead. Finally in this area. Guys, you might be able to actually take a legitimate trade. Let me actually switch over. To, and we just got taken out. All right, guys, so we lost over here. We lost, what did we lose today? 5. So 6, 4, that's 10, 15 bucks. No big dilly. What I'm actually looking for is this. This is what I'm actually looking for. This is what I really want. So let me start prepping myself. I should have used this to scalp instead because this is more realistic. This is now, just keep in mind, guys, this is not a trade I wanted to take today at all with what we're looking at. But where are we at? Start prepping myself just in case. I'll wait it out, see how it goes. We'll put TP somewhere down here. We'll put like maybe 1 lot. That should give us 0.24%. Okay, cool. Look at the spread on this though. That's, oof, that's terrible. That's terrible. Yikes, that's bad. Let's see what happens. For now, I just gotta see how this plays out. This might take a while. Revenge, I think, of GU sells. I'm on long GBP AUD swinging. Are you already in long with your FX challenge? Is your selected pairs giving any trades? No, not really. Not really at all. That's why I took USD CHF. And gold accidentally put me in a trade. But it's fine. We still have 2 more days. Once, all we need to do is win 1 more trade and then literally risk higher percentages on the next couple of trades, and we'll pass phase 1. That's my goal, to at least try and pass phase 1 in the next like 9 trading days at least. I'm looking to, right? But right now, prices violated the area. So I'm gonna leave it alone. The only reason why I looked at this, okay, we're in a range, okay, but price had gone down, kind of broken this level on the shorter time frame, okay. You guys know we use higher time frame for confirmation. On the shorter time frame, price kind of broke this structure. I'm like, okay, it might come back into here and go down. But if you were here early on the stream, I said I wouldn't take this trade today because of one reason. We're in a range. In a range, these things don't work. They just don't work the same. All right. So that was my overall thought process, and it's turned out to be like that. I'm hoping ADJPY, bro. Let me start prepping myself for that. That's the trade that I really want. That's the trade that I really, really want. This is the trade that if it happens today, guys, I'll take like a full position on AUDJPY. That's the trade that I really want. So we'll just wait it out. It's almost there. How many pips away is it? Like what? Almost 4 pips away. So we just need it to get there. Once it gets there, we're good. Solid as a rock. There we go. Start pushing. Start pushing, boy. DJ, you're here. Yes, sir. My bad, gang. You're good, Fauci. You're good. Hello, Maximus. You guy. Opinions on US 30. We already took a look at US 30. Let me show you. Where's it at? Ultimately, this is what we were looking for. And price is doing exactly that. Over here, price was supposed to, after it broke down, right? It didn't do that. Broke above. So we're going to be pushing up, probably aiming for this zone, but we might get a bit of this before. That's my opinion. Would I hop into anything over here? No, I'd wait for a retracement if it were me. But you are free to trade however you trade. But yeah, I am bullish based on recent price action. Overall, I wanted price to come into this zone and push down. It didn't do that. It continued to fall. I do think we are in a, we are due for a bit of correction. You can see here how price is responding. This spells to me like a trend, a trend reversal. So that's my opinion on US 30. Alrighty. Do I have any losing months? No, not since I became profitable. I haven't had any losing months, to be honest. I mean, don't get me wrong. I've had months where my win rate was lower than 50%, and I still was profitable for the month. So you guys, I'm very patient. You're welcome, Vice Staffy. Guys, I'm very patient. Like, if not for you guys, I don't mind waiting, because when I wait for my setups and they show up, it's fire. It's fire. All right, let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. I need price to get to my zone. You know what's crazy, guys? I gotta leave and like, I gotta leave like real soon because I have an appointment. Come on, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. I'm waiting for this. Adib, you know it's all love over here, right? But my wife is off limits. Like, that's a straight 25. Okay, gotcha. Adib, that's a straight like I will legit ban you for that. You and Fauci can make your jokes and stuff. You're not gonna joke with my wife. If you, in fact, let me just. I'm gonna put you in a timeout. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that to you. But real talks, Adib, wife is off limits. Delete your comment or I will. Delete your comment or I will, Adib. And if you do that again, for real, like, I'll legit ban you from everything that I've got. What's good, Smiley Ray? Let's cook those blues. Bro, we trying. We're trying, bro. Hasn't been great this morning. No, it's all good. I know you joke all the time. You make some, jokes that go a little far, but like nothing, whatever. But my wife is off limits. I never go there, ever. Wife is off limits. So that's all I'm saying, Adib. I know you didn't mean no malice. You're just doing what you do. But... and you redacted it. Thank you. Thank you. So, interestingly enough, Adib, as soon as I was telling you that, my wife came into the office. But she didn't hear what you were saying. Yeah, man, you good, bro. You good. You're not somebody I've had a problem with, Adib. I know you're just making your jokes. But I just want to make it clear, I have boundaries for certain things. I remember one time Fauci was like, let me just say, Fauci was joking around with me. He said some things. I was like, hey, Fauci, we're cool. I just don't joke like that. You know what I'm saying? I just have certain rules. There's a way I conduct myself, and I wouldn't do it to someone else. I don't want someone else to do it to me. That's all. But I'm not offended or anything, because I know you're just kidding. Yeah, of course you could joke about me. You've already said you're going to kidnap me. You said you're going to take me to your basement. You said a whole bunch of stuff, Adib. So yeah, you're good, man. You could say whatever you like with me. As long as it's not like, too sus. There comes a time where you start to wonder if the person's still joking. Got in on Longa Nas. Good for you, bro. Nas and US30 going crazy. Going crazy. Where's it at? Going crazy. Yeah. Nothing for me today for that. I wasn't really looking for nothing. I did want to see something happen in this zone. Kind of tapped a little bit, but nothing crazy. But yeah, man, good for you. Good for you. I'm waiting on this ADJPY. How far? He don't know about Caribbean women. Bro, he don't know. Woman, you can't get up. No, they would, bro, they would fold you. Trust me on that. Indeed, even my wife is off limit. DJ. DJ. Oh, wait, DJ, you have a wife, don't you? Is it you that has her in your display pic? I think it's you. Chat heated for a sec. No, you haven't seen, trust me, Sam, you haven't seen heated. If I was visibly upset, you would know. Adib is, if you've been here, you know Adib. The reason why Adib made this joke is because yesterday him and Fauci joked about kidnapping his wife because Fauci doesn't have a wife. You see what I'm saying? So they made this really funny, I don't know if I say funny, but a really interesting joke where they were negotiating because Fauci was trying to sell his wife for a funded account or something crazy like that. And Adib was making out of pocket comments talking about cash on delivery. I don't want to get caught at the airport, all sorts of weird stuff. So it was a bit funny. So that's why he's just continuing in the same spirit. All right, guys, we're finally in this zone. I got to lock in. Time to lock in, ladies and gentlemen. Time to lock in. Time to lock in. Let's see how this goes. All right, let me start with a new order. I'd be like, have you guys heard that song? I'm not even going to say it if you guys haven't heard it. Just don't worry about it if you haven't. If you have not. Spreads on EuroJPY today are not great. They're not usually this bad, in my opinion. In my opinion. And I think because of time, guys, I might get in aggressive here. So just bear with me. I might get in aggressive. Look how spreads are opening up. This is nasty work. Should I do 2%? Let's see. Let me just do this. It gives me an idea. Let's say this. What would I need? Okay, cool. Let's do 2.5 lots. Yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go market. I'm probably gonna have to push up a little bit more. Gotta be patient, guys. We gotta lock in. We gotta lock in. Don't mind DJ at foreign. He doesn't even have a girlfriend. Yo, GP, can I hit your TP? Okay, I'm about to play the congratulations song. Just give me a sec. 150 beautiful dollars. Absolutely straight fire. I see you eating alone over there. Maximus FX, even my wife to be. I'll spoil his face for the chat. All right, let me lock in, guys. Let me lock in. Let me lock in. Let me lock in, guys. We might get what we want. Just gotta lock in. Just gotta lock in. Wait. This is the wrong one. This is Euro JPY. Man. I'm wondering like what's going on over here. Euro JPY is the one we've been waiting on. Sorry, AUD JPY, not Euro JPY. AUD JPY is the one that I've been waiting on. And nobody said anything, eh? No one said a word. Everybody's just watching. Let's see, 2 lots. Because, bro, I'm starting to wonder. I'm like, bro, why is it setting up like that? It looks like it's actually going to start to move and then... Gotta lock in. Gotta lock in. The only way I don't take this trade is if it doesn't give me my setup. Oh, Shosho was saying it. Yeah, I'm not. I'm not watching. All right, let's see how this plays out. All right, so I have to do a pending order. Gotta wait for this to close and see. Nah. Still gotta wait. Still gotta wait. Still gotta wait. This is why you never see me really do like market orders. I always do pending because I wait for certain things to happen first before I start hopping in a trade. What am I gonna do? Oh, you know what? Let me get this ready too. Yeah, that would suck if it gives us what we're looking for, but just without the just without my setup. Just in case we get in. I'm getting ready for showtime, guys. So far, my conditions haven't been met, guys. So far, they have not been met. No. So it may go without us. You know, it might be one of those that might leave without us, but this is what I should do so I can read the chat. Let me do this. Chat, let me do this. Oh, should I still have this thing up? I should get rid of it. My fault, guys. And pull. Alrighty. When will I share my location, Adib? Definitely never. Not with you. You literally threatened to kidnap me like 8 times. I would never share my location with you. Guys, we just got to be patient. It's easy to feel like you're missing out when you see price moving with lots of volume and stuff. If it goes without you, it won't without you. But you got to be patient for your setup. Patiently wait for your setup. All right? Gotta patiently wait for your setup. I have a Mac Studio. That's what I got, a Mac Studio. I needed because of the type of work I do and stuff like that. I needed um a really really beast of a machine. What beat you making? You guys are crazy. So whenever you see a bunch of red candles like this, right? Like, so you're expecting price to go down, you start to notice all the red candles are tiny in comparison to the large green candles. It's a confirmation that price hasn't really began doing what it needs to do. You need strong candles, or at least certain things before you can enter a trade. No Windows or Linux? No. I hate, and no disrespect to any of you guys, I hate Windows products. Well, they make the operating software, but anything with a Windows OS, I'm not a fan. I don't like it at all. I have a laptop with a Windows. I hate that thing, bro. I told my wife I was gonna throw it out the window because on my birthday I almost bought a MacBook, which I still might, to be honest. I hate it. I absolutely hate it. So again, you see how price came in, couple small red candles, and then boom, one strong green candle. Oh gosh, now your GPY is moving. Bro, I gotta stay locked in though. Yeah, I think Euro JPY is starting to break the highs. So that's gonna be interesting. We're gonna see. Yeah, Microsoft makes the operating software for that. Yes, Billy Gates. Yes, sir. Alrighty, so just got to be patient. This type of price action is not what you want. This is one of the things that I've maybe missed indices, and I thank God I took those positions on it. With indices, I'm good. I don't have to touch indices until next summer, next month. That's how good the setups were yesterday. And this is why I like indices, because when the setups are happening, they move. Like, okay, you guys saw the trade I took earlier this morning on US 30, right? It was a wrong trade. It was at a support and resistance level. I didn't really wait for much confirmation. I just tried to move a volume because US 30 usually explodes around 9:30. So I was expecting to at least get a quick scalp. All right, okay, cool. Didn't work out. But you see how long it took? Like 3 minutes. I was out the trade. No questions asked. If I had entered this trade for any reason, I'm still in here. I can't stand that about Forex sometimes. Billy Gates, he said. He said Billy Gates. A lot of waiting, guys. A lot of waiting. Hey, Pineapples, I'm so wrecked today. Yelomi, welcome to the club. You can see on the screen. I mean, they weren't trades I was supposed to take. I just tried to scalp like one lot trades. I think one was a 0 point. Where is it? There. Two, well, actually two. But anyways, it happens. It happens, right? You get to the chart some days and like you shouldn't trade. Today's honestly one of those days where I feel like I shouldn't trade. But again, because of you guys, I'm out here just trying to entertain you guys and pass the challenge at the same time. We're technically like 4 trades away, really good trades. We win one. If we win one today, God willing, if a trade presents itself and we win, and we get to, I need the account to get to like 400 to 500, and then that's it. We can start risking way bigger positions because we're just like 2 proper trade. That's how I pass my funded. Once I get to like I get to like around 2%, it's game. I'm able to just the next trade or so, I'm able to pass the challenge. So that's the goal. SHGB CAD is on a downtrend. Looks like it's going up or then down. I'm gonna check it out after. I don't think I said it was in a downtrend. Okay, let me see if I can pull this up real quick. GBP CAD. All right. So yeah, you remember I was saying, okay, maybe you forgot. I was saying that I'm expecting price to somehow push down here, right? At this zone, because on the weekly, this zone has been super strong. So I'm anticipating at some point price is going to push down. It already has one time, but I'm expecting a bit more to break out of this channel at least. So then when we came over here, I was saying that because of this area that we have here where price was kind of within here, I'm expecting a break above and then possibly this. This is what I'm expecting. But we're not in a downtrend at all. At all. We're not in a downtrend. I'm just expecting based on price action, some sort of reaction. That's all. So I hope that makes sense, DJ. All right, gotta lock back in. Gotta lock back in. This type of price action is terrible. Absolutely terrible. It is giving us a bit more momentum, but I can't do nothing with this because this is not my setup, guys. You know. It's not my setup. You watch us on TV? Thank you, Ilomi. Ilomi's making us famous, guys. We're all on TV. Everybody say hi. We're on Ilomi's TV. Everybody say hi. We're on Ilomi's TV. We're famous, guys. Take a screenshot. Tell your mom you made it. You're on TV. You're on TV. Guys, like the chat. Like the chat, everybody. And since Yolomi's here, she reminded me, we haven't done our good morning stuff. So good morning, all my lovely pineapples out there. Shout out all my foreign money family members. Good morning to you all.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, everybody. All right, so I'm not really getting the reaction I want. But then again, to be fair, price just, you know what I mean, just tapped into this zone. So sometimes you get a push right away. Sometimes you don't. We have got to be patient. Patient. Professor said hi. Fauci said ha ha ha. Do you have a penny order? No, I don't. I don't have a penny order. It was just to show you guys like what I was thinking at the time, spreads, all that good stuff. Because I was also trying to calculate over here how much I need. So I put the penny order, right? Because depending on where I move it, it can tell me how much I'm risking versus how much I am making. So this was like, okay, 50% was like around here. So that's why it was there. Who's chatting with the TV remote? Me? Oh my god, that's hilarious. Not me, sir. Not me. So we're starting to get some bearish momentum. Okay. Nothing too crazy. I mean, if it goes down, that'd be cool, but it's not what I'm looking for, unfortunately. It's not what I'm looking for. When it comes to my entries, I'm very strict. If I trade anything outside of what I have practiced, backtest, whatever, it's going to ruin my, even if I win. You guys remember that trade we took the other day? What trade was it? Was it Euro CHF that we still ended up making money, but like, it was like, okay, I'll give you guys a prime example. That day we took the trade, we made $17. Today we scalped around, messed around. We gave almost that $17 back to the market because this is like the law of trading. If you don't have a consistent system and rules that you follow, whatever you make, you're just going to give back to the market. So if you want to keep more money than you're losing, follow your rules and your systems. Yo, what's good, Fassi? No, you know me because he's watching us. Oh. Chatting with the TV remote. It's still wild though. That's funny. That's funny. Yulomi's on some rich auntie vibes, bro. I just know she landed in her helicopter this morning with her Birkin bag. She's probably watching us on like a 100-inch flat screen TV while her servants and her butlers and maids are getting her bidding done. right? Yomi? Two of the richest people on here, Yomi, and Fauci, because Fauci hit a crazy trade the other day. I think he made like 240K. And we're still waiting for our gifts, Fauci. Still waiting. Still waiting, brother. Deep. Fauci said, nah. Fauci, you owe us. Yomi's laughing. Fauci, you owe us. Which prop firm are you using? It's a prop firm called Smart Prop Trader. One day I'll be rich. I feel it. I feel it for you too, brother. And I pray you really do become successful. All of you guys. Maybe not Adib though. Adib looks like he'll use his money to just conduct a bunch of illegal activity. With a black card. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's the goal. I have their platinum charge card with no limit or whatever. So that's pretty cool. But I want their black card. I want the black card. That apparently, I think, what is it? What is it they have to spend minimum a month? Is it 250K? Something like that. So that's the goal. That's the goal. All right, guys. Patience pays. Patience pays. We got to just let price tell us what it's doing, right? Right now, price isn't really doing much. Let me just switch to trading view so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Right now, we have price doing this, right? At this zone. So let's just mark this up so you guys can see. So at this zone up here, right? We're waiting for price to get to the zone. It's at this zone, and we have price doing this. Historically, price, where is it at? Is it here? Yeah, historically, price does things like this and then eventually goes up. So in my opinion, this isn't convincing price action. Nah, if I'm pulling that out is crazy, a lie. It is, I won't lie. The platinum card has a lot of benefits, right? So like my wife and I, when we travel, because we travel a lot, we have special lounges that we go to. I remember when we were going to my dad's funeral, everybody was like starving outside, because the layover was like 8 hours. We were in the most beautiful lounge. Everything was free. Pop, breakfast, you name it. They were making it was like a buffet, and everything you can grab. Coffee, tea, chips, but anything that's in the lounge is free. Absolutely fire. Not to mention they have a priority pass that allows you to go through faster lanes, so you don't have to wait all the time in some of the areas. So it is pretty nice. And then yeah, being able to have a card with no preset limit. Now they do still calculate a limit for you, and it's based on your spending, right? So like for example, if I'm spending like let's say 20K a month, then they won't, anything above 20K they'll have to reconsider because they're looking at my spending habits, right? And if I go below that, then they'll kind of like be careful. But for the most part, there's no limit as long as you keep paying back. All right, so at form, why did you choose this prop? Anything great about them? No, not at all. Not at all. I ended up getting this. I was buying a bunch of prop firms. I ended up getting this one as well. The price was right at the time. Do you have any prop that you have max funded and trading that account regularly? No, I don't have any max allocation. I have a couple, like, I don't want to give you guys too much information because I'm planning to make a series on this, but I do have one account right now. It's in a challenge that I'm trying to pass. And that's why I told you guys I can't wait for this challenge to be over because I want to get back to that, right? And one of the trades I took on Monday, I didn't take it on that account. Shoot. That was on a different account. But long story short, when that account is passed, you already know it's game over. Those are one of those accounts where you can easily make, let me see if I'm being realistic, you can make like 20 to 40K a month on those accounts. It's one of those type of accounts. So I'm waiting on that. What is a black card? It's a card from American Express. It's a card they give to their top of the top customers who are incredibly wealthy with like, in order for you to be able to get that card, you have to spend nothing less than, I think the limit is $250,000 a month. If you spend under $250,000 a month, they won't even consider you, right? Like the card I have, there's nothing really like that, but your income has to be, I believe, 6 figures plus. And then on top of that, you have to pay every year. You pay like $700 or something like that just to have the card. You pay $700 a year just to have it. Whether you use it or not, you're gonna be billed $700. Fassi, do I have a Lambo? No, not yet, but in the making. In the making, it's in the pipeline. Is it time, babe? Okay. All right, guys. As much as I love, wow, that's crazy. VIP. It's basically a credit card, but we know by the club that card, platinum gold card. Yes, sir. It's status low and gets little perks. This black card, very VIP. Black card is elite. Let me just put it that way. Do you trade personal account? I do have a personal account, but I'm doing something else with that. Guys, as much as I would love to chill, I told you guys I had to go soon. It is 10:41. The appointment is very soon. So unfortunately, guys, I do have to go. What I will do is that I'll try and bring my laptop so I can trade. That way, if I do take the trade, I can record it for you guys and then show you guys what I took. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Guys, wish us luck. Pray for us because we need to take some trades. All right, but with that being said, guys, it's been wonderful as always. I love you guys. If you're new, join the Discord. It's free. Best Discord on YouTube. And then if you also haven't already, follow me on Instagram at mymoney4. And if you want to see Lambos, for the person who asked me about the Lambo, check my Instagram. You'll see the Lambo. But yeah, all right. Love you guys. See you guys tomorrow. And you guys have a